This is the video of my 1935 Dodge DU four-door sedan that I am selling as is. The car I've had for approximately 45 years. It has 33,400 and some odd miles, original miles on it. It was stored in a barn for many years. The people that owned it only drove it back and forth to church and a little bit, and was stored for many years. When I found it, all I had to do was drain the gas tank, clean the carburetor, put a battery in it, and it started right up after being in the barn, that barn, for many years. It's got all original metal on it. There's some minor dents and dings for a 100-year-old car. I put new tires on it. Has the original motor. I changed out the alternator and the starter. I do have those original parts also. Everything works on the car. I have drove it in towards Chicago to a film in there, so it's a movie show car. It was in the Public Enemies movie. We had it in Chicago for approximately a week for showing and the movie in there. I'll show you the inside now. Inside is all original. I do have carpet, just some odd carpet on the floor. That's all original interior. All original dash. There's the mileage on it, 33,460 miles. The windshield wiper motors, if you're familiar with this type of car, is a vacuum motors on it. Those do need to be rebuilt. One of them works, the other one is not. They get all sticky. I have rebuilt them one other time. Here's the back seat area. It's got the handrails for 1935 when all the roads were very rough. More handrails to hang on in 1935 with everything being so rough on the roads. All the window glass is here and works. This here is the defroster. It's just a little fan that blows up against the windshield. It has what I call air conditioning. As it cranks open, you crank that open, gives you fresh air. Plus it has another flopper valve here for fresh air. There is no heat, there is no air conditioning in that car. It wasn't available then. This here's the slant window as I've opened it now. The car does need new rubbers around on the weather stripping and stuff. I did put new tires on it 20 years ago. They're still fine. There is 2 or 3 small rust holes in the floorboards. Otherwise, all the metal has minor rust, but it's all solid. This car, as you will hear here, is solid. Okay, we'll go to the motor. It's got the original block in it. Original radiator, which is fine. As you can see, I've changed out the starter, and I had the alternator rebuilt. I'm sorry, I thought I had that replaced, but I had that rebuilt, and that all works fine. Carburetor, I did put a new one on that. I do have the original carburetor still here. The brakes work fine. This here is from the movie that we had it in. It's showing it on the movie set. There's another shot of it on the movie set in Chicago for the Public Enemies movie. Here's the other side. All original. There is a small seeping spot. It's not actually leaking, but it's a small seeping spot right there on the radiator hose. I do have that hose. Everything else is working fine. Undercarriage, I do have hard photos of the undercarriage. That is the original carpet when it was sold new. And if you listen, you'll hear the door shut. Solid. Here's the other side. Headliner up on the top there is getting tough. The cover for the headliner cover for the vacuum wiper blades. The rest of the headliner is decent shape, nice. It is a 3-speed. The car is straight going down the sides. Again, minor dents and dings here and there that you would expect for a 100-year-old car. Trunk. I do have the original spare tire, and I've got the box of the original parts that I took off of the car. So there it is, 1935 garage find, barn find, DU 4-door sedan for sale. Also, headliner is all intact. That's had been replaced before I bought it, and that's in good shape. It doesn't leak water. That's it. Thank you.